Lindsay, you like your ducky? Good girl. Good girl. Are you gonna give me your duck? Lindsay, give me your duck. Come here. Let me see it. Are you not gonna let me see your duck? Give it. Are you gonna give me your duck? Apparently not. Okay, there we go. Alright. Ready? Ready? Good girl! Come here! Lindsay, come here! Girl! You gonna give me your duck? No? You love it too much, don't you? Come here. Give me your duck. If you want it thrown again, you will give me this duck. Okay, ready? I'm gonna throw it in the next room, okay? You ready? You ready? Yeah? Go get it. Come here! And try this again and see if you actually get it this time rather than being distracted. Alright, you want the duck? You want the duck? Go get it. Good girl, come here.